You know my eyes are bad, right?
Shauna having all these excuses.
No excuses.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. No, you know what? Yeah.
Beautiful day, beautiful day. Beautiful rainy day. Get it dirty, get it dirty.
Got my shoes, that's how good.
I really like this Kitty Essential, the one Jen had, because that crunch there make her ass look really big. Look at that, look at that, look at that. Booty. That's Kitty Essential booty.
It's cold. It's cold.
This is how we hike, we run. Woo. Here's the 30 miles. Come on. Come on, beast.
I gotta get my hair right.
You're such a diva. Freaking your hair? She's worried about her hair. Like, who freaking worried about their hair? This diva over here. Whew. Oh my God, that was uphill. Waterfall number 3. Woo! Come on! What you doing over there?
Okay.
Man, I thought you were gonna do it.
Let's go.
Okay, go, Shauna, go, show.
You can do it. You can do it.
Pom, 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 dun, 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 dun. Come on! Come on!
He's gonna go again.
Okay. I got this one. Woo!
Yay! Come on, Jen.
Just a little different.
Jen, what's going on over there?
I did the duck walk, man. Duck walk, duck walk, duck walk, duck walk.
Come on.
Duck nobody on this trail. That's a towboat now.
There is so much mosquito. We forgot to spray, Jen. Jen didn't tell me anything. I am freaking dying over here. There's so much freaking mosquito. Like, it's freaking like getting into my uki. I caught that one. I caught that one. I caught that one. I make sure I better not step on that. She showed me the way. Are you having fun yet, Shauna? This is nothing to you. You freaking deadlift 500 pounds. 1,000 pounds. So this is nothing to you. So Shauna was like, okay, when I come, we better do the hardest hike. I'm like, you just called the right people because we're all about 20 miles here. Too easy at this one. Too easy for her. Woohoo! Beast! Downhill, uphill. You can do it. You can do it. Guys, that was fun, short, but she get to see all the waterfalls she needed to see. Right, Jen? Thank you, Jen, for being our driver again. I'll put in gas. We all gonna chip in like that. Okay? Okay? No cry like that. Because I love your car. Your car is big, that's why. Okay? Okay? But anyway, we're heading to Mexico right now. We're gonna pig out. It's my cheat day. Saturday is actually my cheat day, guys. That's why I agreed to go with you guys and pig out and have some tequila. Margarita. Do they have like lychee margarita?
Yeah, all kind margaritas.
So what do you want, birthday girl? What are you gonna eat? So did you guys know that Shauna is blind? And we're talking about she's blind. Like I have to pretty much hold her hand like going down so she don't fall because I don't want to carry her to the ER. For reals. But you know what? She did great. She did great. This is not an easy hike, right? That wasn't easy for beginners. I'm glad she don't mind getting dirty because I'm glad she's not being a diva about it, right? I'm gonna walk into Mexico right now like this, guys. You're 10 years younger? So you're like 41? Is she over there going, I'm old?
Here it is. Get your sign, Ross.
Ooh, there it is. There it is. There's my Mexico.
Sugar.
So good.
Salud.
Somebody opened mine.
Must have been. Maybe for beer.
Name is good.